Welcome to Google Sheets for Beginners. In this lesson, you will use Google Sheets to create a budget for a celebration you're planning. Google Sheets is a free application you can use to make spreadsheets. A spreadsheet is a type of electronic file that contains and organizes data. If you've already taken the lesson Google Docs for Beginners, you used Google Docs to plan a celebration. In this lesson, you will use Google Sheets to create a budget for the celebration you've planned. If you haven't taken Google Docs for Beginners, that's fine. Just make up a celebration to create a budget, or use a celebration or event from your real life, or copy the examples you see in the video. The celebration example is just a way to help you practice the skills you'll learn in these videos, so the celebration you choose is not important. Spreadsheets allow you to type in and rearrange data, text, or numbers in any way you choose. Spreadsheets can also perform basic calculations just by clicking a button. For example, you can use a spreadsheet to add up all your monthly expenses, or to add up time you spend on work, school, and other activities to figure out how to manage your schedule. The spreadsheets you create with Google Sheets are saved automatically, and you can access them from any computer or device connected to the internet. In this lesson, you'll use your spreadsheet to record and add up how much your celebration might cost. First, you will create a new spreadsheet. Then, you will make a header row. Next, you'll type in the supplies you want to get and the amount you'll budget to pay for each of them. Finally, you'll use a function to easily and quickly add up the cost of all the supplies you plan to buy. If you're not already signed into your Google account, please open a new tab and sign in now. If you need help signing into Google or creating a new account, pause this video and watch the Welcome to Google Apps for Beginners video. If you are unsure of how to open a new tab, click the link to watch the Welcome to Google Apps for Beginners video. Now it's your turn. Sign into your Google account. When you're done, switch back to the tab with the Google Sheets Lessons video on it and click Next to watch the next video.